Alright, we're gonna be taking pictures. Hello.
Hi.
Flash.
Oh, that was bright, man.
Oh, and the face.
Poor babe. Love. I see a star. First star I see tonight. It was something. It was something like. Okay, I'm good.
Hold on, I need to put my infrared on. That's way better. Okay. Now I am ready to take some pictures. That was Megan. Oh! Flash. That's me stepping on stuff. Flash. Okay, I think I've got a few, but I think they're just fireflies or bugs.
I've gotten some like pale ones that we've been getting.
Yeah.
Then I noticed my camera was on black and white.
Yeah.
So I didn't take it back yet. So I just did now. And
okay. Flash. Oh. Flash at the same time.
Anything?
Nope. Flash. Oh, I turned my camera off. Oops. Why do those buttons have to be right next to each other? There we go. Flash. Nothing. Flash. Why are you getting shit? Oh, that's my camera shut. Flash.
What did you say up the last time? Could you show yourself again to us?
We'd like to see you. Flash.
Can you give us your name? Can you tell us how you related to the incident that happened at the bridge? Yes. Come hither, my friend.
Flash.
Flash.
Nothing. Flash. Sorry if I got you.
Fine.
Wow, those are big.
And you can see they're transparent.
Yeah.
Which is what we were getting last time.
Yeah, it's a little weird.
As I move my camera, as I almost fall.
Flash. Yeah, that's not good.
No, it's not.
So, why didn't you make yourselves a little bit bigger, brighter,
There's a flashlight on the ground.
different
Can you turn
colors?
it off? What if I count to 3? Can you turn it off on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3.
I got a bug across my screen.
Aw.
There's a moth.
Flash.
Flash.
Flash. Whoa.
Huh.
What do you see?
Up in this corner. What the hell is that? Is that the same thing?
It's a fucking red one, man.
Well, there's nothing red around here. I mean, just my light.
Off the light, but I was facing this way.
Try taking a picture close to the... Just see how red
Close
it
to this?
Not too close, but yeah. Just take a picture of that. I don't think that could be it, but... Oh, maybe it was
No,
those lights
yeah.
up there in the distance.
No, so I was facing this way.
You weren't facing that way, you were facing that way.
I am facing this way.
That way.
Yeah.
There were lights, there's lights over there, I don't know. I don't know if they would... And I'm not even getting anything when I point over towards the lights of that house. Okay, well, that is yet unexplained. Flash.
Flash.
Nothing.
Yes.
What did you get? I can't see, hold on. Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
And blue.
Flash. Hey, why don't you guys try showing up in front of my camera? Flash. Why do you guys like Megan's camera so much?
See? That's what it looks like all blown up.
There's nothing in the middle.
Nothing.
That's not a bug.
No, it's not.
I don't think it could be dust. That wouldn't...
It's not dusty.
No, it doesn't show up like that. I mean, there would be more. Oh, bingo.
You got one?
Oh, yeah, this one's bright as fuck.
Flash.
Right there. Thank you.
Flash.
Flash.
I got one too on that one. Right. A little further away.
I see it. I see it.
Got that one in there too.
You know, I am seeing a few fireflies, but not that many.
No, and they're...
And I don't think the
and
mosquitoes
fireflies
are
look
out.
like fireflies.
You'll see them in the middle of the bulb.
Right.
Flash. No.
You're the one making the orb. Can you manifest completely and let us see you with our eyes? No.
Flash.
Whoa.
Got one? Who is that?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Flash. I'm not getting anything.
That's a bug.
Okay.
Big.
Flash.
But, look. Okay, that little light's the bug.
Yeah.
What is this? There's a blue thing around it.
It could be.
That's the bug. And there's this. And then there's one over here.
Megan, I see a face.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
Right there, right there. And yeah. Look, what is this? Hand, maybe?
I don't know, that's really weird. I don't think...
Look. It is. Face. Hand.
Flash. Well, thank you for that. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
You're kind of creeping me out, but I like it.
You do it every time.
Can you do it again?
Flash.
Flash.
Oh, damn. Flash.
I'm not getting it again.
Nope.
Flash.
I'm gonna come over here a little ways so I can see to look. Okay, I almost tripped. Careful, there's a log.
Yeah, I knew what it was there.
Flash. Oh, turned off my camera again. Good job, me.
Huh?
Good job, me. I just turned my camera off again. Flash.
Flash.
Oh, thank you for showing up.
Thank you.
We'll be taking a closer look, Flash. Hopefully we'll be seeing you again. Flash.
You can tell from far away.
I know, that's
From
the
not even
weird thing,
zooming in on
though.
it. Look at that.
I know, you can tell.
You can tell that's a fucking face and a fucking hand.
Because you'd think if it was just a light from the bug that'd be centered around the insect.
It's not.
But it's not. It actually branches out to a hand.
And closer up, you can see definition of a creepy ass Joker smile.
Yeah.
Are you related
Flash.
to the Joker? Flash.
I'm not getting anything.
Flash.
Nothing. I'm turning my camera off.
You got a white one.
A white one?
Yeah, a white one. Fucking bright ass white one.
Holy shit. That's pretty
And there's
weird.
nothing in the middle of it.
No.
Flash.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.
That's